Now, right now, I'm really interested in these two motors right here. They're, instead of the standard can style that, you've got your base and then it just goes over it with the rotor and all that jazz inside of it. These are constructed out of a series of plates with end caps screwed into each other. They're high power stepper motors, which in all actuality would be no use to me whatsoever because I don't have any way of controlling a stepper motor. But they're a fascinating and fun thing to take apart. So I'm gonna try to remove the piece of metal that's holding them in. Now, the previous owner, he probably tried to carry this around, maybe got his buddy to pick it up and move it, but these suckers are really heavy. So my guess is that it got dropped because it's kind of not, it's hard to explain it. It's just off spec just a little bit right now. So I'm going to be using a Dremel tool. Now, if it ever comes down to having to use a Dremel tool, or rotary tool as it's rightfully called, because calling that thing a Dremel tool would be an insult, you really need to wear proper eye and ear protection. Not only because of the sparks that fly off could get in your eyes, and that's just not very good, but these things are really loud, especially whenever you're drawing them across metal. So here we go. That's pretty effective, pulling it up at a better angle. There we go. Yeah, that's a lot easier to get to. See, kids? That's why you have a Dremel tool. They always come in handy. There we go. Huh. That could be one reason why the power cycle didn't help. This wasn't tied into anything. Yeah, really cool looking, aren't they? Let's try to get this other one. Yeah, this one's in there a lot better than that one. Yeah, it looks like I can get it out like that. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that popped it off. But I don't want all this. This is why we get our Dremel tools again. That should just pop right off. Don't want to hurt the motor now. The casing itself, what a screw to, I could deal with it. But the motor itself, I don't want to damage. Let's see here. Yeah, I can get that. And there we are. This one's secured. Well, it was. another meshing problem. See, they're supposed to be right up, separated from the mount, or separated from just about anything, and perfectly in line with the motor itself. Now this one is pressed up against the metal that the motor screwed onto, which would definitely cause an issue. See, right now that motor is seized. I can't move it at all. So either it was a motor failure and everything trying to work with the motor just screwed everything up, or this gear right here screwed everything up. Either way, that sucker ain't moving. Let's see here. Doesn't seem to be much more of interest on this side. Let me take a look around and I'll get back with you.